the Zaporizhzhia front. Two Ukrainian soldiers walked past an armed drone in standby mode. They noticed the device but did not react to it. Shortly afterward, the situation escalated. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone equipped with thermal vision targets a Ukrainian Armed Forces Tatra 815-7 heavy logistics vehicle carrying personnel in the rear compartment. Two Ukrainian drone operators moved to recover a Baba Yaga drone after it had completed its mission inside a structure. However, a Russian FPV drone was positioned nearby, waiting in ambush. Upon hearing the distinct hum of the approaching drone, the operators attempted to withdraw from the area, but one was ultimately taken captive. GoPro footage shows Ukrainian Armed Forces personnel traveling in a pickup truck when it is struck by an FPV drone. During the incident, one soldier attempts to exit the moving vehicle and falls heavily to the ground. Russian Armed Forces FPV UAV operators continue conducting intensive strikes near Pokrovsk. Footage shows a group of Ukrainian infantry on the move, with the drone operator actively engaged in targeting. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone, positioned in ambush, suddenly takes off at night, catching a Ukrainian Armed Forces soldier off guard as it moves to engage the target. Near Pokrovsk, Russian FPV drone operators carried out a precision strike against Ukrainian artillery positions. Guided by real-time reconnaissance, the drones accurately identified and engaged the equipment. The strike successfully neutralized the artillery unit, significantly reducing enemy firepower in the sector and highlighting the increasing effectiveness of FPV drones in counter-artillery operations. From a Russian perspective, units of the Vostok Group's 57th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade deploy a fiber-optic FPV drone to engage a Ukrainian Armed Forces tanker vehicle in the Zaporizhzhia region. The vehicle appears to be fitted with anti-drone protection, reflecting ongoing adaptations to aerial threats. The drone's fiber-optic guidance provides a stable connection resistant to electronic interference, allowing for precise tracking of the moving target. Thermal vision further enhances target identification in challenging visibility conditions. A Russian FPV drone, operating in free exploration mode, spots a Ukrainian pickup truck moving through open terrain. The soldiers quickly notice the incoming drone and leap from the vehicle, escaping the strike just in time. With Russian FPV activity at an all-time high, Ukrainian troops are forced to remain constantly alert. Every sound in the sky could mean another attack. Russian engineers are currently testing a new anti-drone machine gun system that integrates artificial intelligence and advanced computer vision to neutralize incoming aerial threats. The system is designed to automatically detect, track, and engage unmanned aerial vehicles with high precision, reducing the need for direct human intervention on the battlefield. Initial demonstrations suggest that the platform can identify targets in real time, analyze movement patterns, and respond within seconds. This level of automation represents a significant shift in modern warfare technology, where speed and accuracy are becoming increasingly dependent on machine-driven decision-making. As development continues, such systems may play a larger role in future conflicts. The 68th Division of the Western Alliance systematically targeted Ukrainian military equipment around Kupiansk in the Khark region. Soldiers whose vehicles were disabled dispersed across the area. FPV drone teams deployed additional drones to locate them. Due to the high speed of the drones, by the time soldiers noticed them, the drones were already upon their positions. In one instance, 2 Ukrainian soldiers managed to intercept a drone midair at the last second, but anticipating a follow-up strike, they quickly withdrew. The second drone then neutralized the vehicle. The Baba Yaga UAV position of Ukrainian forces in Dnipropetrovsk was fully destroyed, including the operator's vehicle, the UAV itself, its protective cover, antennas, and the operator's shelter. All actions were verified with objective evidence. GoPro footage shows units from the 4th OMSBR alongside the 1194th Air Defense Regiment conducting combat operations to counter Ukrainian armed forces attack drones in the Konstantinovka direction. The footage captures coordinated efforts between ground forces and air defense elements as they monitor and respond to aerial threats. Personnel at air surveillance positions maintain continuous observation, identifying incoming UAVs and relaying targeting information in real time. Air defense systems and small arms are then used to intercept and neutralize the approaching drones before they reach critical positions.
Висеть, где попало. Есть. Есть. Тебе так и надо. Красавчик. Нас ничто не остановит.
A fiber optic FPV drone operator from the Elise motorized rifle unit of the Central Military Group destroyed a Ukrainian unmanned platform transporting ammunition to combat positions near Rasno-Armisk. A fiber optic FPV drone destroyed a Ukrainian armored vehicle near a chemical factory in Konstantinovka. The precision strike demonstrates how advanced UAVs can target armored vehicles effectively, even in industrial areas, highlighting the growing role of drones in modern battlefield operations. GoPro footage captures sniper teams from the 4th OMSBR, specifically the 3rd Motorized Rifle Battalion, operating at air surveillance posts as they work to counter incoming UAV threats. Positioned in elevated or strategically selected locations, the teams maintain constant observation of the surrounding airspace. Using precision rifles and coordinated spotting techniques, the snipers track and engage hostile drones approaching their sector. The footage highlights the discipline and coordination required to detect small aerial targets, especially under changing visibility conditions. These operations demonstrate how traditional infantry roles are adapting to modern battlefield challenges, where even sniper units are increasingly tasked with defending against unmanned aerial systems through rapid response and accurate fire. Soldiers from the Engineering and Fortification Company of the 331st Regiment, 98th Airborne Division of the Russian Army, shared archive footage showing how they used several TM-62 mines to facilitate the passage of armored vehicles through the Sivir-Saktinets-Donbass canal pipes. Due to active enemy drone operations, the Russian soldiers worked under the cover of fog and completed the task successfully. As a result, control of the area shifted from Ukrainian forces to Russian forces. The pipeline had been previously damaged, and the canal needed full restoration to allow water to flow freely to Donetsk. My first video for April 7th presents an extended look at Russian drone operators carrying out missions within the SMO zone, offering insight into the increasing role of unmanned systems in ongoing military operations. A significant portion of the footage is focused on the Konstantinovka direction, where multiple drone teams are shown working in coordination as part of the broader offensive efforts associated with the South Group. The material highlights surveillance tasks, target identification, and the use of FPV systems to support frontline units, reflecting a structured and evolving approach to drone deployment. In addition, the video features the Siberian detachment, providing further perspective through footage recorded in the Dnepropetrovsk region. These segments illustrate how drone units operate across different sectors, adapting to varied terrain and tactical conditions while maintaining consistent operational objectives. Overall, the video captures the growing reliance on drone technology, emphasizing coordination, precision, and the integration of unmanned systems into modern battlefield strategies.